My dear students of first year, Polimongal Adarsho Mahavidyalaya, this is Sanjeev Basu once again have come before you with another class of clause. Already we have known about what actually clause is and how many clauses are there. If you take a close notice over my previous classes, you will be able to know that the clauses are of three types, right? Principal clause, subordinate clause and coordinate clause. And I already have discussed how to identify, how to detect the certain clauses. Okay? So I am requesting you again to follow my previous classes. Today my topic of the discussion is adverb clause, that is adverbial clause, whatever you call. In one word, what can I say? In one word, I can say that what is not adjective clause, what is not noun clause, all those clauses belong to the group of adverbial clause. Okay? So in short, what is adverbial clause? Adverb clause is quite different from noun clause and adjective clause. Actually, subordinate clauses are divided into three types. First one is nominal clause or noun clause, second one is relative clause or adjective clause, and third one is adverbial clause. And how to identify noun clause? Actually, we will identify noun clause by judging, by taking a close notice of the position of noun clause. Where the noun clauses are set, we have to go through that things. We have to understand those things, and for this reason, I am requesting you to follow my previous classes on clause. So today, adverbial clause, is a big one. In adverbial clause, there will be adverbial clause. There may be of 14 types. So today, I have divided the adverbial clause, the class on this adverbial clause into three segments, three parts. So this is the class of first part today. Okay. So I have designed the board according to the adverb clauses of 5 types today, and in my next class I will be discussing on another 5 adverbial types of clauses, and after that finally I will present all the examples of possible adverbial clauses, and then the clause item will be clarified finally, and at the end, what can I say? That is, I will go for a test, and taking test, I think during this pandemic situation, during this online version, to conduct this online version, I sometimes cut my class activities short, and that's why I cannot take up the test always in the way that we are in the habit of doing. But I am assuring that I will present a PowerPoint presentation. Okay, I will conduct a PowerPoint presentation, and in that PowerPoint presentation I will give you a complete test of the clauses, and you will be tested how much knowledge you have acquired. So without saying anything more, I would like to attract your attention on the board. Okay, so first here I have written adverb clause. You also can call it adverbial clause. And adverbial clause is what? It is also a part of subordinate clause. So look, adverbial clause of time. Add verb. This is the mystery. The verb is telling that just add something with me. So whenever you will go for detecting, you will go for identifying adverbial clause, you will ask the question to the verb. And what will be the process of asking? You will be asking question to the verb with how, where and when. And if the verb give the answers, then the answer part will definitely be the adverb clause. Maybe adverb clause of time, adverb clause of manner, adverb clause of place, adverb clause of concession, adverb clause of result, adverb clause of purpose, adverb clause of condition. It may be of different and vibrant types. Okay. So now please have a look on the board. Please pay your attention on the board. Here I have written adverb clause of time. So time is, time, what is time? When, while, before, after, till and until, okay. So for example, father came, look, this verb came. So I am asking, father came when? So father came when I started for Dhaka. When I started for Dhaka. Yes, this is I have written here. So this came actually the verb, and this part actually the adverb of time. Then come to the next point, adverbial place. How can I understand that it is adverbial clause? Whenever you will see the connector, the linker, I had better say, there is a difference between linker and connector. Linker actually sits in the middle of the sentence and link the words. And what is connector? Connector actually sits after a sentence. That is, whenever a new sentence will begin, then connector will be set. So this is the basic difference of what we call linker and connector. Where, whence, wherever. These are the connectors of understanding adverb of place. So look at here, whence. This may be a new linker to you. Whence mean what? Go quickly. Whence? You came. Jekhan theke. What is whence? Whence is jekhan theke. Okay. That's after that cause and reason. Adverbial clause of cause and reason. So what are the connectors? As, because, since, that, for. See, you are in the habit of making so many sentences with this sort of adverb in your real life situation. As he is young, he can do any work. This as cause. Okay, then result. What is result? Result means that, so that, such as, such that. This connector will be added to write down this linkers. This linker should be added to identify the result item. He is weak, that he cannot. He is so weak. He is so weak. Here I am. He is so weak that he cannot carry the load. Here this so that. Okay. And again, look here, the last sentence. Purpose. Purpose means in Bangla uddesho. So that, in order that, lest, these items actually are added to understand adverb clause of purpose. So okay, my dear students, that's all about my class today. And tomorrow, that means day after tomorrow, when I will be adding with you with another class, then I am assuring you that I will be discussing on more about these adverbial clauses. So till then, keep well, keep fit and keep healthy and stay safe at home. Thank you very much once again.